Hey Bearcats! We've all been there before where you go downstairs to do some laundry and the washer's broken or they're all taken. Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you how I get through a successful wash day. First things first, my go-to lineup. Detergent, dryer sheets, stain remover, because things happen, my laundry bag, and the CSC Mobile Pay app. Before I leave my room, I check the CSC Mobile Pay app. It tells me which machines are free so that I don't have to waste a trip to find out if machines are ready, pay an app, and be notified of my load's progress. Now, all I have to do is add my load into the washer, scan the QR code in app, and press start. That's it. If you are having any trouble with any of the machines, just tap Report an Issue in the app. You don't have to worry about tracking anyone down. This space only works if we all do our part. So, if someone's laundry is done, but still in the washer, try to be patient. They may just have lost track of time. But if it keeps happening over and over again, reach out to an RA so we can help address it with the floor or the community. Clean up after yourself so the laundry room is ready for the next person. A quick wipe down or picking up dryer sheets goes a long way. And don't forget, if a washer or dryer isn't working, report it directly in the CSC Mobile Pay app so it can get fixed faster.